says drag and drop the equivalent expressions of 5 times x times 3. All right, so these won't drag for me, but they will drag for you. Let's take these one expression at a time. So these are all multiplying, which means I can change the order. Matter of fact, I'm going to change this. We're used to traditionally seeing the number outside the parentheses on the left-hand side. So I'm just going to rewrite this up here. And that is using the commutative property. So I can look at it a little bit differently. And when I do that, 3 times 5 times x, I actually see this exact thing down here. Now my next one to compare 5 times 3 plus 5 times, or x times 3. There is no plus sign up here. I would be looking for the plus sign in the middle for this to be correct. And there's a multiplication between the 5 and the x. So that one will not work. The other one is 5 times x times 5 times 3. Well, that's going to give me a different answer. If I were to go ahead and use my distributive property on this one, 3 times 5 gives me 15. I'm going to write it down here. Times, I have to remember the sign in the middle, and then 3 times x gives me 3x. And that is what this would be. But if I were to change this and try to work out what this would be, that would be 5x times 5 times 3, which is 15. So you can see these two are different numbers. This right here and this right here are two different numbers. We have a 5x and a 3x. So that would not work. So if I did 3 times 5 and get 15, and then 15, yeah, and then not do, what I'm trying to say is multiply these, but not multiply this. I could have 15 times x, which is the same as 15x. So that will work since it's all multiplying. I just didn't multiply all the way through. And then 15 times 3, or 5 times 3, and then x times 3 is similar to what I did down here. And that would give me a very different number as well.